Welcome to the latest developments from iovox. iovox is heading to Property Portal Watch Barcelona from October 2nd to 4th. Join our exclusive workshop on October 2nd for AI Insights. And don't miss our CEO Ryan Gallagher's talk on October 3rd about AI revolutionizing customer experience. Follow us on LinkedIn for updates and behind-the-scenes content. Our latest blog post explores large language models versus small language models. Discover how iovox leverages small language models in vertical markets like automotive and real estate, offering cost-effective, privacy-focused AI solutions. In some exciting news, iovox now offers French mobile numbers. This achievement opens new possibilities for businesses in the French market. Uncover the potential of cutting-edge technology to transform your business with unparalleled insights from iovox. The future of business communication is here. Better data, better results.